With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, all particles of a body are situated at a distance r from the origin. The distance of center of mass of body from origin is, okay, so in this question it is given that every particle is situated at a distance r. Okay, suppose this is a circle of radius r. So number of particles, maybe any number of particles can be there in the system, but all of them need to be located at the circumference of the circle. All will be located at the circumference of the circle, and we know that if particles are located at the circumference of the system, then circumference of the system, then center of mass of the situation, center of mass will be either inside or on the circumference. But it cannot go outside. Why can it not go outside? Because mass is not negative, only positive mass exists. Therefore, we know that suppose if over here a particle is there, so center of, if only one particle is there in the system, then this will be the center of mass. If these are the two particles, then somewhere along the line joining the two particles and at the midpoint, which will be inside the circle only. Okay, so the options are equals to r, less than equal to r, greater than r, greater than equal to r. So where we know center of mass will be at less than equal to r. Why? Because center of mass can be inside or on the circumference. Why? Because it cannot be outside, because mass cannot be negative. So it will be between this area only. Okay. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.